Alright, hey, good morning. This lesson is going to be about lines in a plane, not snakes on a plane. Nice little Samuel L. Jackson, there's a snake. Not snakes on a plane, but lines on a plane. Alright, first off, we're going to talk about slope of a line. So let's do a little bit with definition first off. I've got a nice little slope there, a little thing to help give us a picture to remember it. And here's what we know. Notice there's a line, slope. See this delta y over delta x? That's the triangle, is the Greek letter delta. Simply means change in y over the change in x. And we're going to call this point 1 and this one point 2. That's x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 1. And like I said, this delta y just means the change. And how do you find the change? By subtracting. The change in y just means y2 minus y1. All right, that's all it is. And there, right there. And also the change in x, x2 minus x1. Now notice, as I do this, we set this up as the definition of the slope being this. The slope, m, it says of the non-vertical line through the point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is this. M is the Latin word for slope, and it means find the changes in y's, or the difference in y's, or subtract the y's over the change in x, or the difference in x, or subtract the x's. The one thing that is very important is this. Notice it starts with y2 minus y1. If this one starts with y2, this one has to start with x2. Otherwise, you will get the slope wrong, because your values would be, in a sense, you'll have the right numbers, just the wrong sign. It would change the sign if you switch up the order. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You have to put the same starting one, y, this has to be the same starting one for x. That's the definition of a slope. And, oh, but a little disclaimer, what can x1 and x2 not equal? Each other, because if they equal each other, you get 0 in the denominator. And can you divide by 0? No, hence then you would have a what? You would have a vertical line, not a non-vertical line.